Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna be walking through how to add bots to Discord mobile. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe how to unmute it. So first of all, open a browser and type here top.gg, and inside of this website you will get millions of Discord bots and servers. So to search a particular bot, use the search box. So I'm going to search here Mi6 bot, and now click on this search icon, and here is the bot which one I'm going to add to my server. To add the bot to your server, click on invite and click on add to Discord, and now select your server where you want to add the bot. So I'm going to add this bot to this server. So I'm clicking on setup, and click on continue, authorize, and make sure you're not a robot. And now if I open my Discord, and now if I go to my server, and here we can see Mi6 bot has been successfully added to my server. So this was how we can add bots to Discord server mobile. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe how to unmute it. Thank you for watching.